parameters of RC parallel circuit. Students, in this video, we will learn about various parameters like impedance angle, power factor, quality factor, and dissipation factor of RC parallel circuit. First, we derive impedance angle of RC parallel circuit. Suppose an alternating sinusoidal voltage is applied to a circuit containing a capacitor of C Farad and a resistor of R ohm in parallel like this. For this circuit, we can write for total impedance Z as 1 upon Z equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon XC, and therefore Z equal to R into XC upon R plus XC. Since XC equal to 1 upon J omega C, and therefore we can write Z equal to R into 1 upon J omega C upon R plus 1 upon J omega C. By simplifying, it becomes Z equal to R upon 1 plus J omega C R. Multiplying and dividing by 1 minus J omega C R, we have Z equal to this one. And that is Z equal to, here multiplying R with 1 minus J omega C R, we get R minus J omega C R square upon multiplication of these two terms, that is 1 minus J square omega square C square R square, where J square equal to minus 1. Therefore, it is 1 plus omega square C square R square. Expanding it into two terms, we can write Z equal to R upon 1 plus omega square C square R square plus minus J omega C R square upon 1 plus omega square C square R square. Now we will draw the phasor diagram of this equation. This first term will be represented by this vector, and in second term minus J indicates the direction of this vector downward. So we will draw it at an angle 90 degree with the first vector in downward direction. Hence the resultant vector, that is impedance Z, is obtained by this vector, and this angle becomes impedance angle. Using trigonometric relation, we find tan theta equal to the ratio of opposite side to the nearby side of angle theta, and therefore tan theta equal to this one. This bracket parts is cancelled with this bracket parts, and 1 R from this term is cancelled with this R, and therefore tan theta equal to omega C R, and hence theta equal to tan inverse omega C R. This is the impedance angle of the parallel RC circuit. Now second parameter is power factor, that is cos theta. If an alternating sinusoidal voltage is applied across a pure resistor, the voltage and current through it are in phase with each other like this. If an alternating sinusoidal voltage is applied across a pure capacitor, the voltage lags the current by 90 degree like this. And if alternating sinusoidal voltage is applied across a parallel connection of resistor and capacitor, then the voltage lags the current by some angle theta, and it is 0 less than theta less than 90. Here no phase difference between voltage and current, so its phasor diagram is of this type. Phase difference is 0 means angle between V and I vectors is 0. In this case, phase difference between voltage and current is 90 degree. Hence here the phasor diagram becomes like this. And in this case, for parallel connection of R and C, the phase difference between current and voltage is greater than 0 but less than 90, as shown here. Hence, we draw the current vector I at angle theta, whose value is lie between 0 and 90. Now, power equal to V into I, that is Vi cos theta. In this first case, power equal to Vi cos theta. Here theta equal to 0, and therefore cos theta, that is cos 0, equal to 1, and therefore power equal to Vi. In second case, theta equal to 19, and therefore power equal to Vi cos 90, as theta 90 cos 90 equal to 0, and therefore power equal to 0. In this third case, that is for parallel RC circuit, power equal to Vi cos theta. Here cos theta is known as power factor. The value of theta can be determined using impedance triangle in this way. Cos theta equal to nearby side of the angle upon hypotenuse. That is equal to, here nearby side is r upon 1 plus omega square c square r square, and hypotenuse is z, and therefore cos theta equal to this. From phasor diagram, z equal to this one. Substituting this value in this equation, we get cos theta equal to this one. Taking r upon 1 plus omega square c square r square common from denominator, therefore cos theta becomes like that. This r cancelled with this r, and this bracket part is cancelled with this one, and therefore cos theta equal to 1 upon under root 1 plus into bracket omega c r square. Taking omega c common from denominator, we get cos theta equal to 1 upon omega c into square root 1 upon omega c square plus r square. Transfer this omega c at a numerator, therefore we rewrite this equation as cos theta equal to 1 upon omega c upon under root r square plus 1 upon omega c square. This is the power factor for parallel RC circuit. Now quality factor Q. In parallel connection of R and C, voltage across R and C are same. Therefore quality factor for parallel RC circuit is defined using currents. Thus quality factor is defined as the ratio of current through capacitor to the current through resistor. That is Q equal to IC upon IR. Since impedance of capacitor is 1 upon omega C and voltage across capacitor is V, therefore IC equal to V upon 1 upon omega C, and that is equal to omega C V. And voltage across resistor R is V, and therefore IR equal to V upon R. Substituting these values in this equation, we get Q equal to omega C V upon V by R. This V cancel, and therefore Q equal to omega C R. This is the quality factor for parallel RC circuit. And now dissipation factor dF. It is defined as inverse of quality factor Q. That is dF equal to 1 upon Q. Since Q equal to omega C R, we already derived just now. Therefore we can write here dF equal to 1 upon omega C R. And this is the dissipation factor for parallel RC circuit. Students, in next video we will discuss about Owen's bridge. Thank you.